Good afternoon. Today we discuss about the sex determination process. This is very important topic in chapter number 5, inheritance and variation. You know that for this process, sex determination is the process by which we can observe whether the developing child is male or female, or predetermination of the sex on the basis of sex chromosome, where the developing child is male or female. This is called the sex determination. Sex determination are carried out on the basis of chromosome, and especially on the basis of sex chromosome. Question is arise, who is the responsible for the sex determination? Either the male or female. Answer is that in the case of male and female, they can produce two type of the gamete. If male produce all the gamete is same, they are called homozygous, and if female produce the gamete is two type, they are called heterozygous or heterogametic. So if male is heterogametic, then male is responsible, and if female is heterogametic, then female is responsible. The sex determination process in all living things are of three types. Number one, X, X and XY type. Second is X, X and X0 type. And third is ZZ and ZW type. First, the XX and XY type. Such type of sex determination are found in the case of Drosophila as well as in the case of human being. In the case of human being, the sex determination is XX and XY type. It means in the case of human being, the sex chromosome are of two types. In male are the heterogametic, therefore male is responsible for the sex determination. X, Y, and in the case of female, chromosome is X and X. So in this case, we know that female can produce all the ova are same with one X chromosome, whereas in the case of male, all the sperm are of two type. 50% sperm with X chromosome bearing and 50% sperm with Y chromosome bearing. So in this case, the male is heterogametic, so male is responsible for the sex determination. It can be explained by the following chart. In the case of male, in the case of human being, male possesses 22 AA plus XY chromosome, and female possesses 22 AA plus X chromosome. Here 22 can be so the autosomal number of chromosome, and this is the one pair of sex chromosome. Total is 22 plus 1, 23, or the 46. Gamete formation are take place 22A plus X and 22A plus Y. 50% possess this pattern and 50% gamete possess this pattern. Both are the difference. This is X chromosome bearing, it is Y chromosome bearing. Ultimately, the male is heterogametic. Therefore, in the case of X and XY type, the responsible person is the male partner. Here, 22A plus X and 22A plus X. All the OA are the same. Cross are take place very simple way. This and this, here this and this. Here is 22A plus XX, 22A plus XX, 22A plus XY and 22AA plus XY. This is the female or girl. Female, this is the male, and this is the male. So in the case of human being, such type of sex determination process are found where male is responsible for the sex determination. Same process are found in the case of EXX and EX0. In this case, this is also found in the case of gross fur and other insect, where the male is responsible for the production of two type of the gamete, 50% with X chromosome bearing and 50% without X chromosome bearing. Rest the process is same as the sex determination process of human being. When these X chromosome bearing sperm fuse with these X chromosome bearing OVA, the developing individuals will be female. And if without X chromosome bearing sperm fuse with X chromosome bearing OVA, the developing child will be male. And the pattern is same in both cases, human being and here the heterogametic is male. But here ZZ and ZW. In this case, the heterogametic person, this pattern are found in the case of the female, and such type of sex determination are found in the case of certain birds. Means in ZZ and ZW type of sex chromosome determination, male can produce all the sperm with male produce all the sperm with ZX chromosome bearing sperm, whereas in the case of female, two type of OVA is produced, Z and W. This is the female. Gamete formation will take place. Z, Z, here, Z and W. Usual class will take place. Z, 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 W, Z, Z and ZW. This is the male, this is the female, it is male, this is the female. So in this case, heterogametic is the female. Therefore, female is responsible for the sex determination. Once again, in XX and XY type, this pattern are found in the case of male. So male is responsible because male is heterogametic. In this case, X0, this sex chromosome pattern are found in the case of the male. So in this case, male is also responsible. But in this case, this pattern are found in the case of the female, mainly certain bird. So in this case, female bird is responsible for the sex determination process. Thank you.